Hi, I'm Ben, and I do product development at TZOA. If you live in a home with a central air system, then you probably have a filter. Central air filters come in many shapes and sizes, and they were originally designed to stop airborne debris from entering into your equipment. This is a disposable fiberglass filter, but a MERV 6 rating, and it doesn't actually stop any of the particles that are harmful to your health, such as wildfire smoke. It's really only meant to be able to collect dust bunnies and to stop insects. To improve your home's air quality, you can upgrade to a higher MERV filter. This one here is a MERV 13 disposable pleated filter that has a lot more surface area on it to be able to trap particles. You can't see through this one, but this one you can. So it's pretty obvious that this one's going to do a lot better in trapping particles. But before you perform the install, you want to check with your trusted HVAC technician and make sure that your system is compatible with the higher efficiency filters. Many homes have a 1-inch filter slot, meaning that the depth of the filter is 1 inch. If you're looking for a filter that will work better than a 1 inch, then I say contact your HVAC professional to see if that upgrade is appropriate, and they might even be able to install a proper HEPA filtration system for you if you're sensitive to air quality issues. You usually want to replace your filter every 3 to 4 months, so you might want to throw some reminders in your calendar to make sure you get that done. Better yet, with our Haven Central Air Monitor, it will actually track the filter lifetime for you and send you notifications when you need that filter replacement. The process for changing the filter is simple. First, turn off your central air system. It's usually a wall switch like this, located on or next to the furnace. Next, you want to remove the filter slot cover. Sometimes the cover has a handle, but usually for 1-inch filters it's just a piece of sheet metal like this. Now, pull out the existing filter from the filter slot. You may have to jiggle it a bit until the filter comes out, and don't worry about destroying this old filter during the removal. Now, before we install the new filter, let's take a look at the old one. I installed this filter about 2 months ago, and it's black. This is because I live near a busy road where all the cars that are driving by all day are producing a lot of pollution that gets infiltrated into my home and then gets trapped in the filter. So this is why I actually change my filter about 5 or 6 times a year instead of just the recommended 3 to 4. Before you install your new filter, you just want to make sure that you recognize the arrow that's placed on the filter by the manufacturer. This indicates the direction of the airflow, so that the air comes in this side, comes out this side, where there's all this metal mesh. In a central air system, you have a return duct where the air comes from your home and it goes into the blower and out into your supply. So the filter goes in after the return and before the blower to make sure that the air gets filtered before it enters into the equipment. After double checking the airflow direction, simply insert the new filter into the slot like this and put the filter cover back on. Some filter slots can allow air to bypass the filter, which means the blower will be pulling unfiltered air into your supply through these cracks. We don't want this, so we will take a bit of tape and cover the slot to prevent unmanaged airflow. Foil tape is best, but you can use duct tape like I'm doing here. Don't forget to turn your central air system back on once you've replaced the filter. Check out haveniq.com for more information on how to improve your home's air quality. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.